Okay, we have here an iPad Air. It runs very smoothly, but the last upgrade iOS is 12, and for some apps we need the last version, iOS 13. That's not possible in this model. How to solve this? For example, if you need to install Netflix, Outlook, or in our case we will use another app just to show you how to solve this. Okay, well, the solution is, if you had the app installed in the past, you can go here at app and then click on your user, and then you go here with the items that you already have and not on this iPad, and it will show here, okay, apps that you had installed in the past. We're trying to install a new app, okay? That's not possible. I'll show you this guy here. I'll show you the solution. You have to go to this website here. I left the address in the description, okay? And you have to download an iTunes business version of iTunes, and it's this one here, okay, for Windows. You will download this version of iTunes. Okay, once it's installed, you open it, and okay, here we go. My iTunes is already logged in, but if it's the first time, you have to click here, account, and you have to sign in, okay, with your user, your Apple ID. I don't need to do this here because I already did. So what you have to do is come here on this list, okay, and you have to click on edit menu, and you have to click apps because it's not selected, okay. It will be movies, TV shows, but not apps. You have to click here so you can choose it here, okay? And go to App Store, and then you type the app that you want to install. Netflix, Outlook. In our case, I'll show you with an app called Traduttore Professionale. Enter. Okay, it's here. We have for iPhone or iPad. Sometimes it's the same app, okay? But I will go here and click here to download the app. It will ask for my password, Apple ID password, okay? Okay, and okay, it's downloaded. Not here because this is this is a Linux, okay, Ubuntu Linux. It's not even a Windows, but it works anyway. But the difference is that the app now is here on this list, and I can install. Once you try to install, you'll see what happens. Click here and it will suggest you, do you want to download another version of this app? Okay, not the last version. Of course I want. Then you click on download and it will install it for you. It's the only way to have access to an old app, okay? Okay, we're here. working. You can use this to install Netflix, Outlook, and any other app that you need that is requesting the last iOS version. Okay, the guy is here. Okay. It's here. Okay, Netflix also, and Outlook. Problem solved. Bye, guys.